Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to produce the orthographic projection for this isometric block. We will be taking our front view from this angle, looking from here. In this case, the first thing to establish would be the front would be this section here. And to draw this in AutoCAD, we use rectangle, REC for rectangle. Left click, enter 80, 80, comma 10 to get that. So rectangle, left click at start point, then drag 80, comma 10. Next step is to draw the plan. The plan is plan is this section right here. And I will draw a line here from here, down 20. Line down 20. Then I'll draw a rectangle, 80 by 50. It's a rectangle. Left click at the start point, then 80, then 80, comma 50. Then I would move this, M for move, enter, left click here at the base point, left click here, drop that there. My next step to get end elevation, I would draw a line here, L for line, start here, minus 45 to get this down here. I would then use rectangle again, left click here, over at this point, over here to get that. That'll be my first point. Space bar to reactivate rectangle. I would then left click here, then come here over at this point, over at this point, and go across, then trace to create a rectangle here, to create the next point here. Then use rectangle REC, left click here to form that. And I would simply mirror this on the other side to get the other symmetrical one. So this is basically how you draw this in AutoCAD. How you sketch this and also draw it, reproduce it in AutoCAD. Of course, this is the front. Add some dimension to this. And that's it.